Okay, hey guys, it's Darion. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I go about my lip glosses. So if you don't know already, I have a cosmetic beauty brand and it's called tuvyR Beauty. I'll leave all the goodies around here, okay? Anyhow, so this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I go about cleaning my lip gloss tubes, like disinfecting them, making sure they're all ready to go, making the lip gloss, and also filling the tubes. So that's what we're gonna do today. But first I need to get my other camera lens because you're not gonna be able to see what the fuck I'm doing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. Okay. So much better. Dismiss all of this. Anyway, so first things first, lip gloss tubes. So I have a giant box of lip gloss tubes that need to be disinfected, cleaned, and all of that stuff. Now, I had to get all these because my vendor messed up my second order of lip gloss tubes, so I got these ones basically for free, and they're the way that I need them to be. So if you guys didn't really see what they look like before, like in the last video, this is what they look like. I'll put in some better, photos, but this is what they look like. I really love these tubes. They're the color I want. They're nice and sturdy. All that other fun stuff. So I've got 100 of them, and what I need to do is firstly separate them. So what I mean by that is take the top off. Hold on. My camera's gonna die already. Is take the top off, put this part, So yes, I've got two different like little containers here. One is going to be for the actual tube part, and then the other one is going to be for the lip applicator part. So I'm going to separate all of them and then BRB. Okay, so here we have it. This is what I was talking about. So in this little container, we have all of my tubes, which are so cute and I love them. And then in this one, we have all of the little applicators as well as the little stopper thingy-mabobs. So that is just how I separate them. And next what I'm going to do is just fill them up with water, soap, and some bleach. Woo. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just fill up both of these little containers with soap and water. Actually, for the little applicator tubes and stuff, I don't like to put them in soap and water just because it takes forever for them to dry. So I will go ahead and spray them with alcohol. That way they're clean and all that fun stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do there. And then for these, I like to put these in soap and water just because, like, I don't really know what's in here. Maybe nothing, maybe something. I don't know. But I don't really want to risk it. So these I definitely like to put in soap and water, and that is just what I'm going to do now. Oh my god. I was talking and it wasn't rolling. So this is what we have so far. Now I'm just gonna figure out what I'm going to put in here as far as what I want to, clean it with. But I think I'm going to use a little bit of bleach, and then I'm also going to put in some of this Dawn dish soap, just so that it's like super, clean. So spray some of that in there. Pour a little of that in there. This is like the best combination ever. This feels so good. Usually I just use like soap and water, and I don't know, it doesn't feel as clean as this. So here's a pro tip. If you're cleaning your lip gloss tubes, add just a little bit of bleach into the water, and it'll kind of just make everything a lot softer and like smell a lot cleaner, be a little bit cleaner than just using soap. I always feel like whenever it comes to like literally anything that I work on as far as Orbella Beauty is concerned, you can never like over disinfect. I always try to like double up on like whatever kind of disinfectant I'm using. So I will, you know, do soap and water, spray it down with alcohol, you know, clean it with like, I don't know, a disinfectant cleaner, spray it with a disinfectant. You know, I just really like to clean things and make sure it's clean, especially because these things are, you know, like going on people's faces. They're, you know, in contact with people's bodies. I don't want anybody to say, you know, Orbella Beauty gave me an infection, you know what I mean? I don't want that, so I gotta clean it. So anyway, I'm just gonna let these sort of sit in here for like, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then I'm going to just rinse them all out and put them on some paper towel, whatever. So yeah, that's it. So after I like rinse them all out over here, I just like to either just lay the lip gloss tubes flat, or I literally just figured this out today, is I can prop them up on whatever I find. So I feel like this actually will work a lot better, because when you just like leave the tubes just like laying here, sometimes, especially if you're using really hot water, which you should be, it'll kind of form kind of like a condensation-y type of situation in the tubes, and you don't really want that, and it also takes forever for that to, you know, come out and dry. So just leaving it upright like this just allows all of the water to come out, and also allows for, you know, air to come in. So boom, 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 boom. Pro tip. Okay, so while everything is drying down over there, I can get started on making the glosses. So the gloss that I'm going to make today is actually really simple. It's just a clear gloss. However, clear gloss is kind of hard to make sometimes, because, you know, if you use like a certain oil or a certain lip coloring, like it'll change the color of the gloss completely. For example, if you're making a clear gloss, I would stay away from oils that have like this weird little like orangey tinge to them, or like yellowish tinge. I don't know, stay away from those, because it's not going to give you what you want. So I'm not going to use those like I thought I was. So here, just try to use clear things. So yeah, my surface, I already wiped it down. I have everything out right now. I'm just gonna put my gloves on. First things first, you want a bowl. You can use these styrofoam bowls, or you can also use like little Tupperware containers. Personally, I like using Tupperware containers, because if you end up making it too much gloss, you can just, you know, close it up and use it for later. So there's that. You will also need like some little plastic spoons, your oils, your fragrance, your base, and whatever you want to put in it. So if you want to put like pigments in it, or little jewels, glitters, things like that, grab that as well. But I'm not doing that today, so yeah. Okay, so first things first, grab the base. So I think there's a little bit left in here. This is the, I don't know how much this is. Let me see if it says it on here. Well, it probably said how much was in here beforehand, but it doesn't say now. But this is from TKB Trading. I also have another small little pouch of base right here that I got from Amazon. And yeah, now this package right here costs like $53, and it actually makes a lot of lip gloss and like a lot of tubes. So for example, I had about 100 tubes, and it, you know, did the job for all 100 tubes. So that just gives you an estimate of, you know, what you may need. And I also have like a bunch of gloss left over, so it definitely makes a lot of gloss. So I'm just going to get whatever is left from out of here, because like I said, this is $53, and you know, gotta get your money's worth. Get everything out, especially before you know, decide, before you decide to get, you know, any more. And there's still like quite a bit here. You just gotta like work it out. Base is in here. This is what it looks like. It's just clear. It's very, very thick, which is why we are going to move on to the next step, which is putting in oils. For me, I use like a bunch of different oils, and it kind of just depends on the mood, what I'm feeling, etc., etc. Some of the ones that I have around me are coconut oil. I have vegetable glycerin, which actually it's not an oil, but I feel like it definitely helps with like the shine and like just creating some thickness if you lose it. I like to use sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, more grapeseed oil, there's almond oil, oil, just a bunch of different stuff. So yeah, just do your research, figure out what kind of oils you want to use those, bada bing, bada boom. And I'm getting another plate just so that I can see like what color the oil is before I put it into my bowl with my base. So there's that. And here's the tip. So coconut oil is kind of like the tricky oil to use. I would get liquid coconut oil if you're going to use coconut oil. If you get like the regular coconut oil that's like in the jar and it's solid, I probably wouldn't go for that one, because that kind of just, I don't know, it changes depending on like the temperature of the room, and I feel like that kind of messes up the gloss. So definitely use the liquid coconut oil. Now, back to what I was doing. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just going to pop the rest of these oils in here and then come back and mix it all up. So I also want to add in my fragrance, which I almost forgot, and I'm going to use strawberry kiwi for this. I'm just going to put the whole thing in there. So now what we need to do is dismiss my lip gloss and start assembling the stuff. Okay, so in order to fill my glosses, I just take a giant syringe like this and a pipette. So what I'm going to do is, first things first, I'm going to take the pipette and I'm just going to snip off the weird little end, this one. It's hard to show you guys, but yeah. Put it on here, like so. There we go. So now it's like a little extender and it'll get like into the tube. This is super pretty. This is what the gloss looks like. I went ahead and added the gold flakes into it already. I was going to so what I usually do if I'm like doing like a glitter gloss is I'll put in glitter and then I'll put in gloss and then glitter and then gloss. But I realized I can't do that with gold flakes because it just sticks to everything. So I just went ahead and put it in here already. And that is what it looks like. It's so stinking cute. So anyway, now what I'm going to do is just fill up this tube here. And I just like to take the bowl, squish it like this, and then have all the gloss come down. So here they are, all done. They're so freaking cute. I don't really know if it's translating on camera, but they really are so stinking cute and I'm so excited about them. So these are going to be part of a collection that is a secret for right now, okay? But yes, these are those. I'm so excited about them. They feel really, really good. I actually put some on and it's a little thinner than the glosses that I've made before, not gonna lie, but I feel like it's still pretty good. So yeah, just a heads up, just a little bit thinner. Yay! Anyway, that's pretty much it. The next thing that I would do would be to just wipe them down with alcohol or to do another bleach water bath, either one, and then let them dry, and that is it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm tired. Bye.